god. For those of you that maybe don't follow the beauty community, there's a challenge going on right now. You do your entire face of makeup using only highlighters. And it looks a little something like this. And it's gorgeous and beautiful. This girl in Dubai named Maria invented it. And everyone in the beauty community has been doing it and it's amazing. Jeffree Star, like everybody. And I'm a genuine fan of beauty gurus. I think they're fantastic. And when I saw this challenge, I was like, yes, finally a makeup challenge that I can do. This is within my capabilities. So I'm ready. I want to do it. I'm so excited. Here we go. Here is the full face highlighter makeup challenge. So I don't have all those really cool products that everybody has. I just have like some stuff. I'm not gonna use a brush because I don't wash my brushes every single fucking day and I don't want to waste it on this shimmer shit. This works just as good, right? So good at makeup. Then I'm gonna add some little bronzer. I don't know if I've ever matted a little bronze, you know? Not because I want extra highlight. I'm just gonna highlight everything I just highlighted, but again, with a highlight, a liquid one. Feels like I dipped my face in a bowl of nacho cheese. Now I'm gonna take this stick of shimmer stuff and I'm gonna shimmer my face some more because I want to shine bright like a diamond. I'm bright like a diamond. I look like the Tin Man, but you know, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna make it look regular, don't worry. The mixture of these things is starting to smell a little like paint thinner, but I think it's worth it. All right, now I'm taking some more shiny stuff that I actually got as a sample on an airplane one time, not even a joke, and I'm gonna put it on some more places that I want to shine and shimmer. I want you to be able to see my face in the dark, basically. Next, I'm actually gonna go in with this white lip tar that I am now going to turn into a face tar. Smells minty. But I mean, all of them together smell like pure vomit. It was disgusting. How do I look, Jillian?
This sound is how you look.
So I've really liked all of the other makeup artists' looks, but am I the only one that's like, hello, you guys are all forgetting the best highlighter that there is? This one. So where they left off, I'll finish. How are you gonna say all highlighters and not use all highlighters? I'm gonna get it in every crevice of my face. So, you know, this is what I'm talking about. This is the look I'm going for. That was taking kind of long, so I actually just dripped it into my hand so I can get it a little better on here. Just blending it out a little. Whew, I almost lost my contact in that one. That would have been a mess. Alright, so I finished blending. I think I'm gonna do my contouring in orange. This is probably the closest I have to a contour color because they don't make brown highlighters, and that's racist. That's kind of low. That doesn't even look natural, Jenna. Fix it. I'm gonna do my nose here. You know, it says non-toxic, but it's hurting my eyes a fair amount. And on my neck. Eye tag. Candy Johnson. Girl. Blush, blush, blush. It's not blending very easily, but it still looks cute. I picked out this nice blue highlighter for my brows. Looking pretty natch. Oh, it's working a little bit. I mean, it feels very dry. Oh, it does not. Oh, it tastes bad. Oh, yes. Fucking in your face, Kylie lip kit. Nice little wing. I mean, that looks nice. Definitely if you're looking to get an eye highlighter, I'd say blue works the best. Blue and green work the best for eye highlighters that I've found. Let me know in the comments if you found different ones. I'm just gonna blend that. I'm gonna use this mascara in the color My Parents Are Disappointed in Me. Ooh, come on, lashes. Then I'm gonna use some of this liquid highlighter in color Glitter. Ooh. Now I want to get on some powder. I gotta set all this highlighter. I wanted that champagne pop, but it's always sold out. So I settled for this powder I found in my closet, which I'm sure is the same. A little bit of this everywhere. Let's do some of its cousin in bronzer. Yep. Oh yeah. The goal is to just not make it look like cocaine. I want to be seen from space. I mean, I've clearly already taken the full face highlighter challenge to the next level, but why stop at makeup? I mean, now I'm ready. And while I'm at it, why don't I just go cover the rest of my body in highlighter? What I've always wanted. Bathe me in the highlight. I want to be seen from the heavens. I just need a little touch up. I gotta get my keys out. They're not in there. Living, I'm living! Paint me like one of your French girls. So yeah, that was my full face highlighter makeup. I hope that I did the challenge justice. Get on my level, all other makeup artists, because this shit is fire, and you know it. And I just want everyone to know that this video has been the highlight of my life. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Wednesday, and I put out makeup tutorials like this, like, you know, every once in a while, because I'm just so good at makeup. Can't help it. So I just keep all that knowledge to myself, and I can share it with the world. Goodbye. It's not toxic, fam, but don't try this at home.